Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Chrome. Now you need to access it in the background. In order to do that with tricky's navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. Then tap on this tiny one. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. In order to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. Then place it wherever you wish to and let go. You can always use this app overlay the other one by opening the other one and operating in both. If you wish to make it smaller, click on Home button. Then access it by clicking on it. You can also make it small and drag it to the side. This way you will turn it into a bubble. To access it, tap on this line and then click on it. Now to use it in full screen view, click on the top left corner. To close it though, select top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!